Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into exciting news about the upcoming Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones. If you're an audio enthusiast, this is the video for you. Sony is rumored to launch the WH-1000XM6 headphones soon, and they are expected to be the successor to the WH-1000XM5. The WH-1000XM6 headphones come with a new hinge design and removable ear pads, making them even more comfortable and user-friendly. The new hinge design is likely to enhance durability and allow for a more compact fold, making these headphones easier to carry around. The removable ear pads are a great addition, providing users with the option to replace them when they wear out, extending the lifespan of the headphones. These headphones will support Bluetooth 5.3 and LE audio, which means better connectivity and audio quality. Bluetooth 5.3 offers improved performance with lower power consumption and enhanced stability, ensuring a seamless listening experience. LE audio introduces new audio features and improvements, including higher audio quality and more efficient data transmission. The FCC filing suggests that the launch could be around late April to early May 2025, so mark your calendars. The anticipation around the release date is building, as audio enthusiasts look forward to experiencing the latest advancements in headphone technology. These headphones are described as a noise-canceling stereo headset, which is perfect for blocking out unwanted noise and immersing yourself in your favorite music or podcasts. Noise cancellation is a crucial feature for headphones, and Sony is known for its excellent noise-canceling technology. The WH-1000XM6 is expected to continue this tradition, providing top-notch noise cancellation to create an immersive listening environment. In summary, the Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones are set to bring exciting new features and improvements. With a new hinge design, removable ear pads, Bluetooth 5.3, and LE audio support, these headphones are poised to set a new standard in the audio world. We'd love to hear your thoughts about these new headphones and what features you're most excited about. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.